Welcome. So today I will be making a little bit of a different video reviewing a case. This is specifically from Spigen, or however you pronounce this. And honestly, I think I will be comparing it to like the cheapest crap I can find online, which is this one, and it costed below like 10 bucks or even less. Was it like a couple of dollars? I think it was maybe like $2 or something like that. It's obviously made out of silicone. It's pretty thin, but in terms of like how it looks like, it's from this image right here, you can clearly see it's really similar. So we're gonna see how they compare. Obviously Spigen will be a little bit more expensive. So let's see if we get our money's worth for a more premium case, I guess. Okay, so that's basically all we have in the box. They could have skipped this. No need to add more plastic. Okay, so we do have this. Make it MagSafe. But the case doesn't have anything. This is just a paper. And this is a cleaning cloth. Not sure what this is all about. Not sure why they included some kind of MagSafe paperwork if technically MagSafe cases will look like this. So yeah, whatever. Anyway. So, like I said, I'm going to be comparing it to that cheapo little case right here, and obviously straight from the bat, the plastic or silicone, whatever this is, you can see it has a little bit of a more clear tint, more blue, but on the camera, but it's in person looks a little bit more just clear. That's number one. Number two, it's much thicker. You can kind of hopefully see the thickness, so you can see this one just kind of bends without any kind of problem. This one is a substantial more thickness to it, so it should protect your phone a little bit better when it falls. But when it comes down to just putting it on, it does have a little bit of a bezel for the camera, as you can see, and even with the little plastic protection that I have applied on the lenses, it still covers that up, so it's not even going to scratch the plastic that is right here. So yeah, just kind of writing on this bezel right here. So yeah, it's much thicker, should obviously provide more impact resistance than this super thin one. You can kind of see this is relatively thin. It's kind of hard to show it. Probably the best way is right here on the camera where there's no bezel whatsoever. That's one, I guess, downside right here. You don't have a bezel on like the cheapest case that I got, which means you might just scratch your camera a little bit, and you might also have a little bit bigger wobble, but still, even with this case, it wobbles obviously, as you can see, so it sucks, but oh well. Now, one thing that they could have done to remove the wobble is, oh, I don't know, put the cameras in the middle. That would have solved the problem. But oh well. So anyway, going back to this case, it's obviously pretty decent. It has thickness. One thing that I'll mention, as with kind of that comes with these kind of cases, because this is clear, it will get a little bit worn by time, so you will probably need to change it out in like a year or so for a new one, just because they tend to get like yellowish, look really nasty, and that's not gonna look very good. So that's one thing, and additionally this will get just scuffed up over time, so it will become more kind of like matte instead of absolutely clear as it is right now. So another reason that you might need to switch them up in some time after using it for like a year or so. So yeah, anyway, pretty simple video, not much more to it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.